We'll probably start with some mock homes here in our facilities and start, getting the bugs worked out, understanding how the system architectures all work. But I'm interested in seeing what problems we face that we're not prepared for that are limiting our ability to get in the home long term. Yeah, we're actually starting our production line next year. We're going to do that here in California, like close to engineering. So we really work out the kinks on like more of a traditional like kind of pilot manufacturing line or production line. And then from there, we'll start announcing our intentions for like where high rate manufacturing will look. But our production line is we're starting to design it as we speak. We'll have robots coming off the production line next year. And we have, several of them here now on the floor. We've already started doing some tests on it. We're starting a production line next year. So, as we get to some level of product maturity, we'll branch out to more and more customers. And something that we're going to spend more and more time on is also like robots in the home. Every 6 months that goes by, I go to a couple folks here and I say the timeline for us getting in home is accelerating. And one of the things that'll be really helpful for us getting into the workforce, it'll really help us get system reliability up, safety up, and the cost down and volumes up for manufacturing. It'll really help us in the home because you really want you'll probably have like an order of magnitude pricing collapse going into the home from the workforce, and you really need economies of scale to get there, and you really need a safety certified system in the home. So like you need a really safe product in the home. So we are using the workforce in a lot of ways to bootstrap that vision for us. But I think from a performance perspective, I think we'll start doing early work in the home, and then I think the home for us is an area where I think it's accelerating in my mind every 6 months. I would say within the next 3 years, we'll definitely have robots piloting in homes.